Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. First thing I'm going to point out is that we did equip this with 115 horsepower Mercury on the back of it. It does have a swim step and the boarding ladder back there. Also in the transom of the boat, there are 4 rod holders right there and 2 seats on either side. At the leaning post, this chair does move forward and back depending on the way you want to face. There's also a built-in live well right here. We optioned it with the blue gel coat inside there. Now coming towards the helm, we do have plenty of space right here to add navigation, depth finder, fish finder if you'd like. We have your gauges right here and your switches right here, easy access, and there's 3 cup holders built in. You can never get enough of those. We did option this boat with the bimini top. This opens, gives you plenty of shade. One additional thing we optioned this boat with is the fishing package, which comes with the cooler, the seat base, the backrest, the fishing rods right there, or the holders, and tackle storage right here. This opens up and gives you plenty of tackle storage if I can grab one. There you go. Now at the front of the boat, we do have a live well, fish box right here built in. It is insulated, so you can use that as a cooler as well. And in the front, we have your anchor locker storage. This boat was equipped with the rigging aspect, so you can plug in to play trolling motors. All you have to do is add a quick release bracket and you're ready to go. You guys, this is Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.